I'll grab a couple 33s. My boo. The boys are on. What's our time? It's about 7 o'clock.
No, it's way later than that. There's our phone on the table.
Nah, it's probably almost 9 o'clock actually.
Yeah.
Just been over there at the campfire. About to do some manus off the flybridge. The bronze whaler swimming around here. He's a local. They call him Bruce. Bruce is about to see the biggest manus he's ever seen. And he's going to be scared. We're on. Where's the dogs? What do you reckon's around here?
Crazy, I can feel it.
You can sense them. Just about dip from Fitty.
Shitty fitty.
Early morning. Hey pops.
Beer from Bivy?
No, too early.
Never too early. Hey pops.
Not a bad crib. Brand new. We always get the brand new Airbnbs. Time to dip to Timberweathers again. Pick up a new toy. Here at Advanced Auto Finishes. We've been on a bit of a holiday, Great Barrier Island, on the boat and stuff. And we come here because we're picking up a new vehicle. Holy shit, this thing's clean now. That was brand new. So we actually saw this a couple of days ago, came and checked it out because it got it sent straight here to James once I bought it. It needed a bit of a clean up. So James being James, done quite a bit to it. Full cut and polish for starters, and it looks completely different. He's also painted a few panels too, that like these two front guards, painted. Looks bloody mint. So it came with a canopy. Had to change the well side because that was all dented up. And James happened to have one sitting around here, and also the door had damage here, so I got a new door. And we've just put the canopy on for now so we can tie it down and take it with us. What a purchase. Here's the old door. A few dents and stuff there. Oh well, Hilux man, can drive it back. Feel right at home there?
Yep.
Clean, eh?
We'll give it to it.
Cleaner than yours.
Cobwebs.
Oh, you'll see. James has done the hard part. I'll give it the interior clean up and give her a steam clean all over. And it's going to be the tidiest Hilux in the country.
Mine's the tidiest.
Yours needs a cut and polish. So once again, big thanks to James. Goes above and beyond for us. Yeah, you should have seen it before. It was pretty missile spec. That interior is bloody mint, man. This is a place you need to come to. Show us how loud it goes. Up, doofs.
Boy, look, it only goes up on my phone. Swagged out.
Whole lot of shit going on. Well, there's another Hilux to the fleet, and she's getting the makeover. She's all masked up, ready to get the full cut and polish, because young bucks these days seem to do a fair bit of all driving, and she's got some light scratches, but nothing we can't fix. And you know, she's getting seats out. Gaz is doing all the interior. She's gonna come up bloody mint.
This is how you detail shit properly.
Oh yeah.
You go and see.
So yeah, it was quite a mess, but already vacuumed it and stuff. Yeah, this beast has got a 2-inch lift all around. Brand new Outback armour. There's Errol. Hilux the world, all I can say. This is what we call Big White. Cleaned up the running boards too. Should have done it before and after of that. These were filthy as, and look at them, brand new now. When we come out here, so that's Big White. This is Little White, looking bloody immaculate. This thing is just crazy. I think I've already shown this. And there's old Big Red N80, Stano. It's got some new wheels to put on. We're going to test drive soon, and we can work out what tyres are going on. You can quickly see them in the box. Some bronzies there, beadlock look. It's going to look quite smart on this red here. Once Big White gets the cut and polish treatment, she's going to be immaculate. I don't know if you can see, but you probably can, just scratches everywhere, but easy to get out. And it's just, you know, this is just the stuff people don't bother to do, especially young people. We're here to save the Hiluxes.
This one is for sale too, so if you guys are keen and in the market for a Hilux, just send us a DM. Just good, honest Hiluxes.
Yeah, she's got the genuine bull bar, 32s, you know, your basic stuff. Where's our box? Fuck yeah, babe. Wow. Gazza really thinks he's going to SEMA or something. He's got his BN stickers on. What I'm standing back here for is been cutting the Hilux here. That door's cut, that door's not. You can see the difference so easy. The camera doesn't pick it up as good as in person, but that's pretty crazy. So yeah, it's just these small things you do to vehicles to make them look so much better. Surely you can see that. And all these white Hiluxes seem to do it. They get that yellowy, I think it's just basically from people not washing them when they're dirty, and it just stains on. So yeah, the whole vehicle was like that, and now it's starting to come up minter. Here's his other sticker. I think they need liveries, eh? What do you guys reckon? Yes, we out! We are getting the dogs out here. We're catching the big dogs. We're on.